What's good everyone, welcome. In the previous video I made the enemy to move around the map, patrol, chase and attack by using NavMesh. Today I'm gonna take it one step further and give it a gun to shoot and kill the player. Let's dive in. By the end of this video you're going to have an enemy that can patrol, chase and shoot you. Alright guys, the first thing we want to do is to add a simple health system to our player. So create a mono behavior script and name it player health. Okay, this code is pretty simple. We just need two variables, one of them for the max HP and one for the current health. Then in the start function we just set the current health to be the maximum health. We don't really need the update function. We just need the public function to call it from the enemy AI to reduce the player health. And lastly, we just need one more function to basically kill the player. For now, it's going to be very simple. We're just gonna destroy the player. But in the future we can add UI and stuff to make the game more immersive. Alright guys, save this code and drag the code into your player. Next we're going to update our enemy AI script. So just drag this here and open up your enemy AI script. Now I'm gonna write the code and speed up the video. You can find the code in the description. Alright guys, let's go through the code. Here I've added one new variable for fire point. This is where the bullet will be instantiated. So we're going to add it in front of the enemy gun. Then there is one damage variable. This is how much damage per bullet will deal. And then I've added some bullet visuals. You guys need to know that this bullet doesn't actually do anything. This is just for visual, since we are using raycast to damage the player. If you guys want to know how to make physics based bullets, let me know in the comment. I'll make it very fast. And the rest is the same. This is just one eye offset to set the raycast in front of the enemy eyes. And everything else is pretty much the same. Some minor changes to the agents. Here we have shoot function, will instantiate the bullet in the correct position and rotation. Then it will shoot a raycast to see if it hits an object with player tag. If it hits an object with player tag, it will call the take damage from player health and deal the 20 damage we set. This is for just moving the bullet, and everything else is pretty much the same. And these are the gizmos, same as before. Let's go back to Unity and add all of our references. If you click on your enemy now, you can see there are some variables we need to fill in. The first one is fire point. I've already made just one simple boxy gun here, and then you can just import or make the similar gun. Then you need to add a empty game object in front of the gun. You need to place it exactly here and put it as a child of the gun. Then drag it in the empty slot right here. This is going to be where the bullet will be shot from. Next is the bullet prefab. I've already made one bullet prefab here. If you don't know how, you can just simply create anything, for example one sphere, change the size to anything you want and drag it in your assets. then it becomes a prefab, then you can drag it everywhere. So I don't really need this now. I've made one. I just drag the one I have. Bullet visual prefab. You can play with these settings. This is how fast the bullet will be shot. This is also the bullet lifetime. After 1 second, for example, the bullet will be destroyed. And the bullet visual speed, we put it on 30 maybe. The damage you can also change. It's 20 now. I think it's good for this tutorial. Then let's test. I'll run the game and see if the enemy can shoot us. So I'll go right in front of him. He's patrolling. He starts chasing me now. If he's close enough, he can shoot me. And you can see in the debug, I'm losing health. If I'm on 0 health, I die. For now, it's just destroying, but later we can add some visuals. If you guys don't know what are all of these we have added, these are from my previous videos. We have added the NavMesh and everything. Make sure to watch the video and come back to this video. Alright guys, this was how we added gun with raycast bullet to our enemy. For the next video, you guys decide what we make. We can add an actual enemy model with all animation, audio and everything. We can add actual bullet physics to the gun. We can make some visual effects, particles and anything. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.